Tool check. To install this product, you will need a level, a stud finder, a Phillips screwdriver, a 13mm or 1/2" socket wrench, a 3/16 inch drill bit for wood stud installations, and an electric drill. It is also a good idea to have an awl or small nail to verify stud locations. Parts check. Check carefully to make sure there are no missing or damaged parts. Depending on your installation, you may not need every part provided. If any parts are missing or damaged, please contact customer service at 1-888-333-9952 to have the part sent directly to you. Step 1. Attach the wall plate to a wall with wood studs. Please note, for safe installation, any drywall or other wall covering material may not exceed 1/2 inch or 13mm in thickness. Use a stud sensor to locate and mark a stud. It's a good idea to verify the stud location with an awl or thin nail. Taking into consideration the overall size of your TV, hold the wall plate against the wall to mark 2 hole locations on the stud, one for the top hole and one for the bottom. Using the 3/16 inch drill bit, pre-drill the 2 holes to a depth of 2.5 inches. Attach the wall plate using the 2 lag bolts. Tighten the bolts with a socket wrench. Do not over-tighten the bolts. Step 2. Optional. Attach the adapter brackets to the monitor plate. Adapter brackets may be required to fit some TVs. To install, align the brackets with the outermost holes on the monitor plate and secure them using the short flathead bolts and corresponding nuts. Step 2.1. Determine the hole pattern that fits your TV. After you've installed the adapter brackets, hold the monitor plate up to the back of your TV to determine which hole patterns you will be using. Step 3. Attach the monitor plate to the TV. First, determine the diameter of the bolt your television requires. Hand thread a bolt into the insert on the back of the TV. If you encounter any resistance, stop and select another bolt diameter until you have the correct size. On a TV with a flat back and no obstructions, thread the short bolt through the appropriate flat washer, the corresponding lock washer, the monitor bracket, and finally into the TV. On a TV with a curved back or an obstruction near the insert, thread the long bolt through the appropriate flat washer, the corresponding lock washer, and into the monitor bracket. Add a spacer between the monitor bracket and the television. Step 4. Attach the TV to the wall plate. For a tilting mount, proceed to Step 5. For a low profile mount, proceed to Step 5.1. Step 5. Tilting mount functionality. Please note, before proceeding, verify that the wall plate and monitor plate are firmly fixed to the wall and the back of the television respectively. With the help of an assistant, lift your TV onto the wall plate and gently set the monitor plate in the furthest slots from the wall. Do not place the monitor plate in the closest slots or your TV will not be able to tilt. Loosen or tighten the knob on the monitor plate until you reach your desired tension. Step 5.1. Low profile mount functionality. Please note, before proceeding, verify that the wall plate and monitor plate are firmly fixed to the wall and the back of the television respectively. With the help of an assistant, lift your TV onto the wall plate and gently set the monitor plate in the closest slots to the wall. Do not place the monitor plate in the furthest slots or your TV will not rest flush against the wall. Step 6. Lock the monitor plate to the wall plate. Push the locking tab down so it rests parallel with the wall. This will lock your monitor into place. You are now free to adjust your newly mounted flat panel television.